What is disability insurance? Disability insurance provides income replacement when a policyholder cannot work due to illness or injury, typically paying 60 to 70% of pre-disability income after an elimination period. What is disability insurance? Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. It's often called income protection insurance because it protects your most valuable asset, your ability to earn income. Hashtag types of disability insurance. Type, source, features short-term, STD, employer 3 to 6 months coverage, long-term, LTD, employer individual, years to age 65, Social Security, SSDI, government strict definition, lengthy process, individual, private purchase, portable, customizable. Hashtag definitions of disability. Definition meaning typical use. Own occupation, can't do your specific job, more expensive, better protection. Any occupation, can't do any job you're suited for, less expensive, stricter. Modified own occ for 2 years, then any. Common compromise. Hashtag key policy features, feature description, benefit amount, usually 60–70% of income. Elimination period, waiting period before benefits start. Benefit period, how long benefits last. Definition, own occupation versus any occupation. Hashtag elimination period options, period premium impact, best for 30 days, highest premium, need income quickly. 60 days, moderate, balanced approach. 90 days, lower premium, have savings cushion. 180 days, lowest premium, significant reserves. Hashtag benefit period options, period coverage, 2 years, short-term coverage, 5 years. Exam tip, own occupation equals best definition, 60 to 70% of income, typical. Longer elimination period equals lower premium. Individual equals tax-free benefits.